Hi. So as we all know, COVID-19 is a very real threat and a very real concern for a lot of people, both including customers to facilities and building owners or business owners. And so we want to just address that real quick and tell you what should you do if you are the person that's responsible for facility, whether you're a business owner, you're in management, or you've got people coming in and out of your facility. How should you treat that facility to make sure that both you're keeping your customers and your employees safe? First of all, you should consider a full detailed cleaning. And that includes everything from all of the touch points, all of the walls, anything that's about 8 feet below that people can actually access easily, anything that's a touch point, whether it's handrails or doorknobs, office equipment to include staplers, computers, keyboards, monitors, you name it. That kind of thing should all be cleaned thoroughly, followed by the flooring, whether it's carpet or hard surface floors. Consider that if you've got contaminants that have fallen onto the ground, those can easily be kicked up by feet or by air movement, and they can actually be inhaled and possibly make somebody sick. So we'd encourage you to consider all of that. It's real easy to have somebody come in and do a spray or a fog, as they're referring it, but there's more to it. And so I just encourage you to do your diligence, do your homework, research that, and consider that you should have a full cleaning of the facility before any disinfectants are applied. If you're concerned, if you want some more information, feel free to give us a call. We're available 24 hours a day. 915-595-FIRE is our phone number. Visit us at www.lariat247.com. Give us a call. Let us talk to you, share with you the knowledge that we have and give you our opinion, and maybe there's something that we can do for you. All right, have a good one.